Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the GPU model and driver version in Device Manager so you know which package to use. Once done, download the correct Nvidia driver file and the latest display driver uninstaller, the. Boot Windows into safe mode and run the to remove all Nvidia driver traces and settings. This prevents conflicts. Make sure to disable antivirus temporarily while the runs. After cleanup, do not reboot into normal mode until the finishes and prompts you to restart. Now you install the fresh Nvidia driver using the installer's custom option and check, perform a clean install so previous profiles don't persist. After installation, reboot into normal mode and verify Nvidia Display Container, LS, and related services are running. Restart them manually if needed via services. MSC. If the control panel still fails to appear, reinstall the Nvidia control panel from Microsoft Store or run the driver installer again, finish by opening the Nvidia control panel, restore defaults, and then reapply your preferred settings so profiles load cleanly. If the control panel is missing, install or reinstall GeForce Experience or extract and register the control panel package manually. Sometimes the Store app fixes registration issues. If problems persist, roll back to a previous driver version, test another monitor cable or port, or create a new Windows user to rule out profile corruption. If needed, run SFC and DISM to repair Windows components before retrying the driver install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.